Back to my channel. This is Suresh Basvi going to teach algebra from basics. Algebra from basics. So, algebra is nothing but when the problems are in words, we use that words into we use that words problems algebra. So, in algebra, first 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot dot. These are the numbers we are count. These are the numbers we are count. That means these are counting numbers. These are counting numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. And these are constants. In algebra, these are constants. In algebra, these are constants. Next. So for suppose we take a rectangle which is 5 centimeters length and 3 centimeters breadth. What is the area of this rectangle? The area of this rectangle is, we know that length into breadth, that means 5 into 3, that is equal to 15 square centimeters. Just like that, when we take 7 centimeters length and 4 centimeters breadth, then the area is 7 into 4, 28. And then when we take 12 centimeters length and 10 centimeters width, we get that area is 12 into 10, 120 square meters. From this, we have to obtain a formula. Instead of this use, we have to obtain formula. What is that? Length represents L and breadth represents B. So rectangle area. So rectangle area is equal to L into B. Here L and B. L represents length and B represents B. So this is called algebra. So when we represent, instead of numbers, alphabets in this algebra. So these are called variables. Suppose, see, L into B. So rectangle area is L into B. When we take instead of L 13, when we take instead of B 5, 13 5 is 65. So this is, so L may take any value and B may take any value. That means this is not a constant value. That's why these are called variables. And this is 1. You can return either this or whatever it may be. 1 is 1, that is one's value is constant. 2 is so wherever you go, 2 is 2, that means constant. So constant and variables. So these are constant. When we combined these constant and variables, we get 2a. When we combined constant and variables, 3 into x, 3x. These are the terms. So terms means first constants, variables, and constants and variables together becomes terms. So terms means TERMS. So terms and matter. So this is basics terms. So term means constant also a term, variables also a term, and constant and variable multiplied by when we multiply that constant and variable, we get that terms. So TRMS. When terms are together, with plus or minus. When terms are together with plus or minus, we get that what? When together we get that. So, for suppose 2a plus 3b, next 3x minus 4y, next 3a plus 4b minus 5c. When terms are combined and 3a plus b minus 4. When terms are combined with plus or minus, we get that. So, when we combine these terms into plus or plus minus, including both plus or minus both, then we call it as expressions. Algebraic expressions. So, algebraic expressions. Then again, when we equate 0 or something, or when we equate something, then it is called algebraic equations. So, terms become expressions, expressions become equations. So, from constants and variables, uh, multiply, we get terms are either constant are also terms, and variables are also terms, and constant and variables together get terms with combined with plus or minus both, then we call it as expressions. Then we equate that expression is equal to 0 or something, whatever it may be, then we call it as algebraic equations. Okay, algebraic equations. So first, when there is a single term, that is called monomial. This is called when the expressions has two terms, two or more terms, then it's called two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, two or more terms becomes polynomial, two or more becomes polynomial. So these are the basics of algebra. Now, in algebras, we first like terms and unlike terms. We first classify that. Then only we can combine or subtract words or terms. So, like terms means, so see one example, 2a, 2x. Another example, 3x. No. Observe these two pair terms, 2a, 2x, 3y, 4y. Here, 2 into a term, 2 is constant. Here 2x, 2 is constant. This is called coefficient. We are multiplying constant 2 with a. So for that, constant 2 is called coefficient of a. Constant 2 is called coefficient of a. So here coefficient are also 2. Here coefficient is 3. Here coefficient is 4. This is called constant becomes coefficient of algebraic term. Or variable term. Here variable is a and variable is x. These are the different variables. Here y and y, these are the same variables. So when we have same variables in terms, then we call it as a like terms. So like terms, in like terms we have same variable. Constant is whatever it may be. So when we have variable, same variable, we have to say that those terms are like terms. When variables are different, when variables are differ to each other, we call it as unlike terms. Unlike terms. Unlike terms. So addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, when we add or subtract, when we add or subtract, so only like terms, we have to add like terms or we have to subtract like terms, we have to subtract like terms. So that's why we know that like terms means when variables are same in terms, then we call it as like terms. When variables are differ to each other, we call it as unlike terms. Unlike terms. Tomorrow we we are going to learn subtraction, addition, multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. So bye Nana. Thank you very much.